Hello, my name is Dominic, and on this channel we always talk about all things health and health matters. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscription button and also hit that notification bell to get notified as soon as I post any videos. Let's get started. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Let's find out the truth once and for all. Now, before we begin, let me try to give my knuckles a little workout. Well, that didn't go well as I expected. You see, now, many people still believe that cracking your knuckles can lead to arthritis. Let's put this myth to rest. To understand the relationship between cracking your knuckles and arthritis, let's first understand what causes that cracking sound in the first place. When you crack your knuckles, what you are actually hearing is the release of gas bubbles in the synovial fluid. Synovial fluid is a lubricant fluid found in your joints. Inside your joints, the synovial fluid acts as a cushion, reducing friction between bones. The synovial fluid also contains dissolved gases, mainly nitrogen. When you pull or manipulate the joints, it decreases the pressure within the joint space, causing the gases to form tiny bubbles. These gas bubbles then rapidly collapse or pop, causing that distinctive cracking sound. But here's the point. The act of cracking your knuckles does not harm your joints or contribute to the development of arthritis. Multiple scientific studies have been conducted to examine the connection between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The studies have found no evidence to support the claim that knuckle cracking leads to arthritis. In fact, one study concluded that individuals who crack their knuckles have the same level of joint pain as those who didn't. Another study published by the British Journal of Rheumatology reached a similar conclusion, stating that knuckle cracking does not cause any harm to the joints. So next time someone warns you about arthritis from cracking your knuckles, give them a friendly smile and share this video to them. That's all for today, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified as soon as I post any videos on health matters. See you next time.